Having money in your Wise, formerly TransferWise, account is fantastic for international transactions, holding different currencies, and enjoying competitive exchange rates. But eventually, you'll want to access that money, perhaps as cash for everyday spending or to integrate it with your local banking for other financial needs. So, how do you actually withdraw money from Wise? As a finance expert, I'm here to demystify the process and outline the most common and efficient ways to get your funds from your Wise account into your hands, or another bank account, with clarity and ease. Method 1. Transferring to a local bank account. This is by far the most common and versatile way to withdraw money from your Wise account. It's essentially sending funds from your Wise balance to any bank account you choose, whether it's your personal local bank account or someone else's. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Log in to your Wise account. Access your Wise account through the Wise app on your smartphone or via their website on your computer. Initiate a transfer. On the Wise app, look for the Send or Send Money button, usually prominently displayed on the home screen. On the Wise website, you'll typically find a Send Money option or similar. Select source and destination currencies. You'll be prompted to choose the currency you want to send from, e.g., your USD balance in Wise, and the currency you want the recipient to receive, e.g., Nigerian Naira NGN, if you're sending to a Nigerian bank account. Wise will immediately show you the real mid-market exchange rate and any applicable fees. This transparency is a hallmark of Wise's service. Enter the amount. Specify how much you want to withdraw. You can either enter the amount you want to send, and Wise will calculate how much the recipient gets, or the amount you want the recipient to receive, and Wise will calculate how much you need to send. Choose the recipient. You'll need to specify who you're sending the money to. If it's your own local bank account, you'll select Myself. If it's someone else's, you'll choose Someone Else or a business. If you've sent money to this account before, it might be saved as a recipient, making the process quicker. If not, you'll need to add new recipient details. Provide recipient bank details. This is a crucial step. You'll need the correct bank details for the account where you want the money to land. The exact details required vary by country and currency, but typically include full name of account holder. This must match the name on the bank account. Bank name. The name of the bank, e.g., Zenith Bank, GT Bank. Account number. The specific account number. SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers, or local bank code, like NGN account number and bank name. These codes help identify the specific bank branch for faster processing. Review and confirm. Before finalizing, Wise will show you a summary of your transfer. The amount, the exchange rate, the fees, and the estimated arrival time. Double-check all details carefully to avoid errors. Authorize the transfer. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Wise will then process it. How long does it take? Wise prides itself on speed. Many transfers, especially to popular currencies and destinations, can arrive within seconds or a few minutes. For others, it might take a few hours or up to 1 to 2 business days, depending on the currencies involved, the receiving bank, and local banking holidays. Wise will always provide an estimated arrival time when you set up the transfer. Fees. Wise charges a small, transparent fee for these transfers. This fee is clearly displayed upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. It's often significantly lower than traditional bank wire transfer fees, and Wise uses the real mid-market exchange rate, avoiding hidden markups. Method 2. Using the Wise debit card for cash withdrawals. If you have a Wise multi-currency account and have ordered the Wise debit card, you have another convenient way to access your funds. ATM withdrawals. Here's how it works. Order your Wise debit card. If you don't have one, you'll need to order it through your Wise account. There's usually a small one-time fee for the card. The card will be delivered to your registered address. Activate your card. Once you receive the card, follow the instructions provided to activate it, usually through the Wise app. You'll also set a PIN. Find an ATM. The Wise debit card works with major card networks like Visa and MasterCard, so you can use it at millions of ATMs worldwide. Look for the Visa or MasterCard logo on the ATM. Make a withdrawal. Insert your Wise card into the ATM, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option. Choose local currency. This is a crucial tip for saving money. When withdrawing cash from an ATM, especially when abroad, the ATM might ask if you want to be charged in your home currency, e.g., USD, or the local currency, e.g., NGN. Always choose to be charged in the local currency. This allows Wise to handle the currency conversion at the mid-market rate, avoiding potentially inflated exchange rates offered by the ATM operator, known as dynamic currency conversion or DCC. Confirm and collect cash. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and collect your cash.